Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Alexander Morozevich and Vladimir Fedoseev. This is a game from Torre Memorial Blitz tournament played in Moscow in 2018. Alexander Morozevich had white pieces and he started with e4. Vladimir Fedoseev played c5, the Sicilian defense. Knight to f3, d6, d4. C takes on d4, knight takes on d4, knight to f6, attacking the pawn on e4, defending a6, the Najdorf variation, bishop to e3, e6, f3, intending g4 and going for the English attack, h5, queen to d2, knight from b to d7, a4, preventing b5, b6, bishop to c4, queen to c7, attacking the bishop. White to move. What is the best square for the bishop? What would you do? Bishop to b3 seems like a sensible move, do you agree? There was a surprise. At this early stage of the game, Alexander Morozevich sacrificed the bishop on e6, going for the throat. Pawn takes bishop, knight takes on e6, attacking the queen, queen to c4, attacking the knight, knight takes bishop, rook takes knight, queen takes on d6, king to f7. So, how much compensation white has for a sacrifice piece? White has 3 pawns for a piece, plus attack on the black king, and also black count castle. How important is that? Morozevich castled queenside, rook to e8, h3, intending g4, rook to e6, attacking the queen, queen to f4, knight to e5, g4, threatening g5, winning the knight, knight to g6, attacking the queen, queen to h2, b5. b5 is asking to be played. g5, attacking the knight, knight to d7, rook to d4, attacking the queen. Very good move. Queen to c6, f4. The threat is f5. Rook to e8. And now, rook from h to d1, following the principle that the threat is stronger than the execution, especially if your opponent has only little time on the clock. He still has to worry about f5. b takes on a4. Rook to d6, attacking the queen, queen to b7, queen to e2, threatening, queen takes, pawn on h5. This position is very difficult for black to defend. Knight on d to f8, f5, knight to e5, queen takes on h5 check, g6, what else? If king goes to g8, then queen takes rook. So we have g6, white to move. White played a move and black resigned. What would you do? Morozevich played queen to h8, and there is no sensible defense. So we may as well play any move. Let's play rook to b8, threatening queen takes on b2 check. Then rook to f6 check, and after king to e7, there is checkmate in 1. And the move is bishop to c5, checkmate. Wow, that was a brilliantly played game by Morozevich, wasn't it? What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.